Hey, how's it going, everybody? All right, so because Screencast-O-Matic didn't work, we are going to try Loom. You're going to use loom.com to get to this homepage and simply click on Get Loom for free. When you click on Get Loom for free, it will ask you how you want to sign up. You're going to use your school Google account. So click Sign Up with Google, find your Google credentials and click on them, and it'll take you to this homepage. From here, you're going to click on Record a Video, and it'll ask you how you want to record your video. I'm going to recommend that you use the Install Extension. When you click on Install Extension, it will take you out to the Chrome Web Store, and you'll simply say, yeah, add this to Chrome, add the extension. It'll take a second to kind of go through that process. And when it's done, it'll pop you right back to the Loom website. From here, you can watch the all of this stuff if you want. I'm just going to dismiss this for now. From here, though, you can click on Record Video. Allow it to use your microphone. Allow it to use your camera if it asks. And then click on Start Recording. Make sure that you have your story handy so that when you start your recording and you select your entire screen, when you click share, you can pop over to the correct area. All right. Once the countdown finishes, you're going to simply start going into your recording. I recommend kind of waiting a few seconds before you start talking to just stare and smile into the camera. As soon as you are done reading your whole storybook, make sure, first of all, before you start, make sure that you full screen it so that we don't see all of the ugly stuff on the background and we just see your story. And then when you are done, you will click on the X at the bottom. Oh, excuse me. You will click on the check mark at the bottom to finish your recording. That'll take you back out to the Loom website where you can watch your video, trim the opening and ending in case you need to. Maybe you, I don't know, were fumbling around with something at the beginning or at the end of your video. This is a good way to kind of trim it down so that you just get the nicest parts of your video done. Okay? Once you've trimmed your video, you are good to go, and you will be able to share that video with me, I believe, through a link. All right, I hope that helped.